My daughter used to like to get these little beetles, but I see they thingy my raspberry plants. But she used to like when she was younger to catch them. I think it's these ones.
I'll suppose add this. I know I ended off the video. I'm not sure, but update on the HADADA. There's the one there, and then the other one somewhere there. I think that's the male, that one, and then the female is somewhere there, busy preparing the nest. That's what I think. I don't know how it works with birds. There was two cute like little woodpeckers. I don't know where they are now. See, there's like a lot of stuff in the yard, so I can't like get all over to see. Yeah, I see now. You see there's movement there. And there, somewhere. That's the mom. And the dad looks like he wants to go and look again for twigs. I want to actually get it. I did get a piece where he's got twigs. Looks like he's going to take off now. Soon. Yeah. There he goes. Oh, I missed him. Yeah, he went that way. But yes, the mommy is busy. I'm sure it's the mommy. I'm trying to see. Okay, I think it's there. There. See the movement? Yeah, there. You see the movement? Look carefully. There. See, there's the other one. In this big tree. It's exciting. There's a little woodpecker, I think. That's the one. They got like a cool hairstyle. Try and make it bigger. Yeah.